Symptoms of IBS, also known as irritable bowel syndrome, include excess gas, bloating, and other digestive discomfort. It affects over 18% of the population globally and can persist long-term, significantly impacting quality of life. The food that we eat regularly has a significant impact on our lives and bowel activity. What causes IBS? Eating too fast or in big portions. Smoking. Excess consumption of tea and coffee. Poor lifestyle. Family history of IBS. Symptoms of IBS attack. Here we are listing 9 signs and symptoms of IBS attack in men and women and prevention. 1. Excessive bloating. People with symptoms of IBS attack feel more bloated and full after eating average food portions. The gut becomes full of gas, causing nagging and irritating conditions. 2. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is the main symptom of IBS, as gut muscles contract excessively. Gut activity varies, causing diarrhea. Those with IBS may experience irregular bowel activity, leading to diarrhea and constipation. Symptoms vary based on individual health and habits. 3. Gas. The researchers have announced that people with IBS have more gut bacteria that produce toxic chemicals and components that are the primary cause of excess gas in the stomach. You may feel disinterest in appetite and gassy that won't be easy to pass away and heaviness in the stomach. 4. IBS with constipation. IBS can also cause constipation, making passing stool difficult and painful. Constipation may persist during an IBS attack. Increasing water intake and consuming soluble fiber can help alleviate symptoms. 5. Pain and cramping. The rapid contractions and activities in the gut may produce pain and cramps in the lower abdomen area. The excessive gas and bloating make your stomach oversensitive and the muscles contract more than usual. The condition of an IBS attack also triggers brain functioning. 6. Fatigue. A study on volunteers found that many people with IBS experience fatigue without engaging in heavy physical activity. They often struggle with sleep difficulties and feel exhausted the next day. Some individuals with IBS also battle insomnia without discernible causes. 7. Stress. Irritable bowel syndrome directly influences the brain, causing stress, low energy, and difficulty concentrating. Those with IBS may experience brain fog, exhaustion, and disinterest in work. Studies suggest a connection between IBS, depression, stress, and excess gas production. 8. Joint pain. IBS not only affects the stomach but affects joints too. According to Ayurveda, if you have too much gas or vata in the body, and it stays for a long time without treatment, it can harm the joints. In severe cases of IBS, the experts found that people who were suffering from IBS for a long time also complained about pain in the joints. 9. Changed bowel activity. You may also spot sudden changes in bowel activity. It may be slowed down sometimes or can be increased. IBS can cause slow movement of stool that can make the intestine dehydrated due to it absorbing the water inside the body, and if you are drinking less water it may be harmful. You can also trigger mucus while passing the stool that you never face on common constipation. These is the main symptoms of IBS disease. To prevent IBS. Things to do. 1. Stay mindful of foods that worsen IBS symptoms. 2. Keep a chart of foods that alleviate symptoms. 3. Choose high-fiber, low-fat options. 4. Avoid gas-producing and bloating-inducing foods like cabbage, broccoli, beans, and lentils. 5. Consult an expert if symptoms persist. Not to do. 1. Avoid dairy and caffeinated beverages. 2. Cut down on sugar, opt for natural foods, and use honey for sweetness.